In this video, I'll show you how to get leads from Apollo.io and export as a CSV file. So of course, we need to go to Apollo.io, and then where you get your leads from is up to you. You can go for people, companies, lists. I'm going to go with people on the left. And inside here, we have a whole bunch of filters that we can use. I am going to filter by job titles, and I'm going to look for a project manager. And now it's going to give me a whole bunch of project managers, and I can just tick on any of their boxes next to their name. And then you'll notice on the top here, export. Then on the screen here, I'm just going to click next. You can see I have export as CSV at the bottom here. And I can even edit my export CSV settings, which I'm not going to do now. And all you need to do is hit save and then say I will comply. And then all you need to do is hit download. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.